Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. When it comes to dental procedures, precision and efficiency stand as a pillar of paramount importance. The Waldent Lotus Airotor handpiece emerged as a beacon of innovation, embodying excellence in dental practice. Let's explore the distinctive features, detailed specifications, precise operating guidelines, and maintenance practice for these Airotors. Coming on to the features of Waldent Lotus Airotor. Lightweight yet durable, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Featuring a scratch-resistant exterior, the handpiece not only adds to its aesthetic appeal but also provides a reliable and comfortable grip. Facilitate seamless burr installation through chuck system, ensure stability with secure screw locking mechanism, and achieve rapid and accurate burr removal for optimal workflow. Engineered for compatibility and durability, our handpiece boasts a Borden two-hole connection that ensure a tight and secure fit, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional dental care. The Borden two-hole connection enables effortless switching of handpiece attachments, optimizing the efficiency of dental unit operations with precision and ease. Single water spray system for efficient cooling during procedures. Advanced anti-suction head system. The anti-suction features of Waldent Lotus handpiece is designed to prevent the suction of debris, fluid, and microorganisms back into the handpiece during dental procedures. Specifications. Standard head designed for general dental procedures, offering balance and versatility. Super torque head delivers increased power, perfect for demanding procedures requiring extra torque. Mini head ideal for pediatric dentistry or working with less mouth opening, ensuring better visibility and access. Operating instructions ensure the handpiece is properly connected to the dental unit and all settings are adjusted as needed. To insert the burr, gently pull the pin lock handle backward to open the chuck. Carefully insert the burr into the handpiece head, ensuring it is fully seated. Rotate the burr lock mechanism clockwise by approximately 1/4 turn to secure the burr, avoid over tightening. Confirm the burr is locked in place and will not dislodge during use. After completing the procedure, burr should be removed. To remove the burr, rotate the burr lock mechanism counterclockwise by approximately 1/4 turn to unlock the chuck. Gently pull the burr lock mechanism handle backward to open the chuck. Carefully remove the burr from the handpiece head. Cleaning and maintenance. Lubrication. Hold the handpiece upright and insert the nozzle into the base of the handpiece. To lubricate our handpiece, we are using Waldent Unispray. Spray for 1 to 2 seconds into a tissue covering the handpiece head. Continue spraying until the excess oil being blown into the tissue turns clean. Wipe off any remaining surface oil with a dry tissue. Sterilization. Brush away any excess dirt and use an alcohol-soaked cloth to wipe the handpiece clean. Detach the handpiece from the dental unit tubing. To sterilize it properly, we are using Waldent self-sealing sterilization pouch. Place the handpiece into the sterilization pouch and seal it securely. The handpiece is autoclavable at a temperature up to maximum of 135 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.